Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at IAA in Tulsa, Oklahoma, taking a look at all of the cool cars and trucks and SUVs, motorcycles. We got trailers, we got RVs, we got semi-trucks, we have beat up old Mercedes in very cool colors you can see right there, and we have other folks around the yard checking out the vehicles. You can check out the vehicles too. You don't have to be a dealer. You can come out here, you can join, you get access to the cars here in Tulsa. It's the day before the auction. The auction is on Tuesday, so Monday you can come out here and check out the cars. We are going to do just that. I'm kind of looking around right now to see if anything catches my fancy, and something just did. All right, let's check this one out. Now, this is something I have been looking for a long time. Yes, this is a what is this one? What is the year? 2002 Ford Thunderbird. So it's when they kind of tried to go retro after the retro Mustang. This one, I'll back it up. She's too far gone. It's too much for me, but I have been looking for one of these. Look at all of the damage. So her eyeball popped out. We've got damage, all kinds of stuff going on over here. And she lost her rear end. You want to see? Look what happened. Yeah, something rather large, yeah, invaded her territory. That way, it smashed up to the back seat. Yeah, so this car, unfortunately, there's nothing you can do but buy it, grab some interior pieces, which basically came from other Ford products, the engine, maybe the wheels, and part it out. But this car, yeah, I'm sorry, this car just is going off to a crusher somewhere. I hate to say that, but these were cool looking cars back in the day. 21 years ago is when this thing came out. 21 years, can you believe that? This little girl just grabbed my attention. Look at this. This is a good looking little four-door Nissan Frontier Pro 4X truck from 2019. This is pretty cool. It reminds me a lot of the old Ford Explorer Sport trucks. Yeah, this does a lot. I mean, a lot. Tires do have some tread on the back, more on the front. Pro 4X stickers everywhere. The damage, it just looks like the back bumper got bumped. Bumper got bumped, and that is all. That is all the damage that I can see. I love the roof rack on her right there. Pro 4X, as you can see right here. Pro 4X, you can see right there. Hankook Dynapro tires. Oh, this is a nice looking truck. Okay. Well, should we go inside and check her out? I think so. Absolutely. 41,772 miles, which is nothing. Nothing. Oh, okay. You got your leather seat, more Pro 4X stitching everywhere. There is power. White gauges. Nice. No push start. Who cares? You got to use the key. Let's just see what happens here. Come on. It's going to be perfect, I know. There you go. Oh, let there be air conditioning. Thank you, baby Jesus. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're going to close the door. That door, by the way, look how wide it opens. Look at that. Look at that. I can't even, that's a good foot away from my arm. Ugh. Nice. Okay, like I said, 41,000 miles. We're enjoying the air conditioning. All the windows are going to work, of course. See? Absolutely. Yep. Does the back one? Is that automatic or no? I don't really know. I don't see a button for it. I guess that's going to be a manual open and close right there. You do get room back there. This would be a fun little tow truck for me. It could tow some stuff. Nothing very heavy, but okay. Basic gauges for 2019. That looks very 2010-ish to me. Okay, you get your oil, your battery charging, gas, coolant temperature, RPM, and MPH. But You get a rear view camera. That's nice. Sky XM. Oh. Chill. That's what I'm trying to do, sir. That's exactly what I'm trying to do. Wow. Okay. You do get a roof as well. Just to show you what I'm dealing with. Just for your pleasure. Oh, look. Hi. Hi, guys. How you doing? Look at that. 100 degrees here in Tulsa, Oklahoma today. It's not even noon yet. It's 100 degrees. What do you think about this? Have you had one of these? You can dial in 2-wheel, 4 high, 4 low. Lock. Heated seats. Oh, this is cool. This is nice, folks. This is something that we might just have to think about. I think I look good rocking this. I couldn't pull these super heavy Mercedes, but I could pull some little cars probably. And the seats are comfortable. We're gonna mark it down and we're gonna move on. Don't do it, Mike. Don't. I can't. I'm being drawn. 1996 Ford F250. If you've been watching the channel, you know how much I hated and loved my 1995 Ford F150 that was given to me by Randy at Auto Auction Rebuilds. And you remember what we found when we tested the seats? Surprise, surprise, we could do that again in this. All kinds of dog hair here. Look at that. Who knows what that could be? That could be some good stuff or some really, really, really bad stuff. You get some little bitty back seats back here. Let me see if I can do this. There you go, for the little kids, for the grandkids, just in case they wanted to go with grandpa somewhere. This would tow a house. This is the F250, and we have power, so very quickly, let's jump in here and just see what she's gonna do. You think she's gonna start? Look how old. Oh gosh, this is a mess. Hi. Yeah, this is, okay, here we go. Let's just jump in and see what's gonna happen. They did try to stitch her together right there. This is, oh my gosh. Oh, ooh, the seat, you just sink. Oh my gosh, who knows what's happened in this seat. Let's just see what happens. Okay, check engine light is on. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Come on, little girl. She sounded good for a second. Maybe she's just out of gas. Yeah, she would run if she had some gasoline. And doggone it, I didn't bring any gasoline with me. How many miles are on this thing? 259,158. Okay, let's try the rear. Is there any gas in the rear tank? Let's see. It is trying to go up. It's trying to go up. We have a little bit of gas there. Let's see what happens. Oh, she's a working girl. She's a worker. Look at that, baby. What are the chances we have AC? Pretty doggone good. That is some coolish air coming out. Okay. Oh, this is a hot mess. How much is a 96 Ford F250 that looks like it's been rode hard and put up wet its entire life gonna sell for? Look how much I could throw everything in the back. Look at that. Look at that. She runs, which is really, really cool. Let's look at the engine very, very quickly. Who'd have thought there'd be life left in this old girl? Does that look familiar? That's exactly the engine that my 95 F150 had. Exact same engine, but this one runs so much better. Look at that. Did I find a tow vehicle finally on my own? Is it possible? I don't know. Look at that. This runs good. She does. She runs good. Super start battery. The wind's opening the hood a little bit, but look at this. She sounds amazing, doesn't she? She really does. Okay, let's close the hood. There's very little paint left. No, it'll buff out. All of this will buff out. Okay, here we go. Final test. Does she go? Of course. Yeah, she does. There we go, folks. All right. Believe it or not, I'm going to bid on this truck. Don't know why. Maybe because I think I deserve something like this. I don't know. New trucks are just too fancy. How much will a 96 F250 go for with 260,000 miles? But it runs like a top. It really does. And I have a brake control unit right there as well. There you go. And I have lots and lots of videos as I detail her and find out what stains are on these seats, because that is disgusting. That's terrible. But the headliner looks okay. It really does. And she's idling. She's not even really overheating yet. Normal charging. Both gas tanks work. Just switch it to the back one and you go on down the road. Look at that. And even this works. See, that did not work on my other truck. And crank windows. How easy is that? All right, let's move on. Mikey's found him a girlfriend. She's old, and she's not the prettiest, but she has all of her teeth. Hidden away back here without even a sticker, 2013 Cadillac XTS Luxury that looks like an easy fix to me. All right, this is the big Cadillac. This is nice. We do need a windshield. Okay, it's funny how one little ding can transfer all the way to the top, all the way across on the other side. Yep. Even the mighty S-Class that I daily drive every single day took a little hit to the windshield and it cracked, and it really made me upset because it was the original windshield. Anyway, this is a good looking car, or it used to be. This is the issue right here. Okay, so something kind of bumped into it, and they put the bumper in the rear seat for you, but here's your damage right here. So you could probably get another trunk, give this a pull. There's a little dent right here. So if you pull this, this might just pop out, and then you just need your tail light. This I wouldn't even replace right there because it's hidden. Unless there's damage to the muffler. I don't know, that's kind of a mess right there. But otherwise, shine her up. She'd be a good looking car again. She would be. This is big. See, here's your bumper right there. Woo, man, it's hot in there. Okay. Wow. But this would be a big, comfortable call. And I don't know why most of those screens do that after a while. They really do. I haven't Googled that yet, but I do like the brownish taupe with the wood look right there. Okay. It's a very manly looking Cadillac with the black and the gray. I love the grills. I really do. As far as the engine goes, let me show you here. There it is. It's dirty. It's very, very dirty. It's listed as run and drive, which would be good. There is oil, which is good. Coolant, I don't know. Do we need to go in here and look under here? I mean, it was running and driving when it was hit, so that's good. No foam. That's nice to know. So I don't think there's going to be any kind of a head gasket issue. Here's your reservoir for your coolant. And I think there's still stuff in there, which is good. Battery here. Windshield washer fluid there. This would be nice. Oh, it's hot. Oh my gosh. Dirty, dusty, and hot. Whew. You get one beat up key Wow. Okay. Is there any? No. Okay. Well, what do you think? There's, ooh, there's sticky stuff on there too. Oh, I hate, if you know me, you're going to drive me crazy. Put something sticky on my fingers and don't let me wash it off. That will be the end of Mike. Oh, we're missing something there. And we've got a very heavily used armrest right here with one of your pedal covers. Yeah, okay. That's all right. Oh, you get a second. What is this? Another remote. Oh, look at this. This is cool. This is very, very cool. I didn't know you could hide one in there. So you get 2 keys. That's huge. That is really huge. This is so messed up, though. I guess you got mad and punched it or something? I don't know. Wow, what do you think about this? I could rock this all day long, being a grandpa and everything. Yes, this is a nice car that would clean up, be comfortable, and get me where I wanted to go, hopefully with air conditioning. Hopefully, and I could listen to my tunes on my Bose sound system. Well, I wish we could start her, but we can't. But I'm going to take them for their word. And when it runs and drives, it runs and drives. It may only drive a foot, but it runs and drives. Thank you guys very much for watching. I certainly appreciate that. And for all of the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. We're going to get our hands dirty with another video very, very soon. Okay, folks? Go out and have a great day. If you're looking for cars, looking for trucks, if you're looking for Cadillacs with bumpers in the back seat, IAA is the place to look. I was almost going to make a rhyme, but I can't. I'm out of time. Okay, folks. We'll see you again very soon. That was stupid. Okay. Bye-bye.